Dual Dash Cam with Cloud Storage. Dual Dash Cam with Cloud Storage gives us the opportunity to store data safely. It also helps us to view live footage remotely. Dual cameras are worthy. They help us to record the front and rear view of a vehicle. When a dual dash cam has a cloud feature, we can get more benefits. If we lose any data, it will be tough for us to overcome false claims against accidents. We can also solve insurance claims and insurance company issues properly. It will be a huge relief for us during critical situations when we have cloud storage. Though many bad incidents can happen on dashcam video footage and data, they can be saved online due to cloud storage. Advantages of dual dashcam with cloud storage. There are many advantages of a dual dashcam with cloud storage. It helps us to track vehicles in real time. It also helps us to download important videos remotely. It helps us to view real-time footage from vehicles. We can view footage from anywhere in the world via our smartphones. We can easily do emergency contacts. From dash cam, we can easily access the footage. We don't need to copy files from the memory cards. We get an alert messages when an accident occurs. It does not matter where the vehicle is. The vehicle could be parked in a garage or driven by anybody else. We can manage our fleet of vehicles from anywhere. Definition of cloud storage. Cloud storage stores data on the internet. Cloud storage has data centers with big computer servers that help data store physically. As a result, we can get data available via the web. We can upload and store data remotely. We can also recover this data when we want. This process can be done by a cell phone carrier's Wi-Fi access, LTE connection, a vehicle internet hotspot connection. We can also do this process directly through a SIM card and mobile phone service on the dashcam itself. Video files are safe. They can't be stolen and destroyed because they are not stored directly on the dashcam. Best dual dashcam with cloud storage. BlackView DR900X2 SIG. We can see different types in the market. Here we describe the top 4 dashcams. They are BlackView DR900X2 SIG, Garmin Dashcam 67W, Thinkware U1000 4K Dashcam, Viofo A129 Pro Duo, BlackView DR900X2 SIG. It is one of the best dash cams in cloud storage. Both front and rear cam work very well. It has high efficiency video coding. This dashcam is very effective in 4K video streaming. This dashcam can be hardwired to our vehicle's fuse panel for parking mode. We can easily do this. We don't need any optional accessories. It helps to watch remote live views. We can get push notifications on our phones. This dashcam also plays a vital role to back up important videos to our cloud. This dashcam has CM100 connectivity. It helps the dashcam to get 4G LTE connectivity. C.M. 100 connects via the USB port of our dashcam. Advantages. It is a great cloud-enabled dashcam. We can get technical service anytime. It provides 2 ways of video communication. Micro SD card has enough storage. Disadvantages. We need more driver safety features. Garmin Dashcam 66 watts. It is a compact and discreet dashcam. This dashcam has extra wide view angle that can capture 1440p footage. It performs very well in low light condition. This dashcam can record and save video properly. By using Garmin Drive app, we can control dashcam on our smartphone. It has voce control option that helps us to save video and picture. It also helps us to start and stop audio recording. It has quality driver alerts feature. Driver can get forward collision and lane departure warnings properly. We can upload red light and speed camera location alerts anytime as our wish. Advantages. It is a compact dash cam with a lots of feature. Budget-friendly dash cam. Installation is very simple. Disadvantages. Voice control should be improved. Thinkware U1000 4K dashcam. This dashcam can capture sharp, detailed footage. It can use 4K native UHD. On the other hand, it can also use 2K QHD at 60 FPS. It has quality Sony Stravis image sensor. As it has wide view angle, we can enjoy every moment. It has super night vision. We should not worry about low light conditions. It has anti-file corruption technology feature that helps us to avoid data corruption. We can use remote live video by using cloud feature. It has optional park surveillance mode that helps us to record events triggered by impact and motion. We can get advanced driver assistance system support. As a result, we can get alert about forward collisions, lane departures and front vehicles departure. Advantages. It has modern design. We can get geofencing and alerts facility. We can get driving and parking impact notification. Disadvantages. Comparatively costly. Viofo A129 Pro Duo. It is Ultra HD Real 4K dual channel dashcam. We get super clear video that is 4 times higher than FHD. We can easily realize street signs and license plate. It has super night vision and WDR technology. We can get better image at night. It has advanced parking mode, wireless Wi-Fi and GPS. It has also some premium functions like 4K resolution, loop recording, emergency recording, motion detection, time-lapse parking mode, etc. Advantages. It provides high-quality video. It is very simple to use. We can use it in hot and climate condition. Disadvantages. App should be improved. Our verdict about dual dashcam with cloud storage. When we want to buy dual dashcam with cloud storage, we can see many options in the market. Here we describe some dashcams. All are good quality. They are very effective. We can be benefited by using them. However, when we have to choose the best one, we need to select one. We think among 4 dashcams, Blackview DR900X2CH is the best dashcam. According to price, video quality and features, it is the highest quality dashcam in the market now. We can see many advanced dashcams with different range of features. Some are key features and some are assist features. There are various types of cams with cloud storage in the market. We can find different types of dashcam models in the dashcam market. We should choose the best dashcams with handy features. We should not worry about the expensive dashcams. We need to choose the cheapest dashcams as well as finest dashcams. Extra features and advanced features are also seen. We can get two-way voice communication. We have voice control option. From our smartphone we can talk with the people in the car. It has infrared night vision and GPS tracking. We should not worry about ambient light. It could perform well in bright lights and dark lights. Image quality is good as we get digital image stabilization. Conclusion? Currently, Dual Dash with cloud storage is a smart device for vehicle. It is really good option for ride. It is a good connected devices. We should not worry about connection issues and connected features. Installation is easy. It really gives us great peace of mind.